Hey everyone, it's Brooklyn Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team. Today we're going to tour our newest home for sale at 60 Bremner Street here in Whitby. Let's take a look around. This home is conveniently located close to all amenities you could possibly need, as well as between the 401 and the 407, making commuting a breeze. The main floor features an open concept layout with your kitchen overlooking your dining room and living room. Upstairs, we have a spacious seating area as well as 4 bedrooms, all with attached bathrooms. Your primary bedroom features an ensuite, large walk-in closet, and so much light from the big windows. Downstairs, we have your fully finished rec room, lots of storage, as well as another full bathroom. Thanks so much for staying till the end of our tour of 60 Bremner Street in Whitby. Again, I'm Brooklyn Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team. If this home caught your eye, call the number above to book your private tour, and as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our newest homes for sale.